Let's divide 370 by 2. Hey super math stars! Sparkles, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's start our division adventure. We bring down the first digit 3, our number is 3. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2, let's write that down. Now we subtract 2 from 3, that leaves us with 1. Awesome, you're doing great. We'll bring down the next digit to make a new number. Look at this, we have a 1 and bring down the 7, our new number is 17. We use the remainder 1 and bring down the 7, hello 17. How many times does 2 go into 17? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 8. 8 times 2 is 16, write down 16 below 17. 17 minus 16 equals 1, we found our remainder for this step. You're on fire, keep up the amazing work. One more digit to go, let's finish strong. Last step, we bring down the 0 and join the remainder 1, our number is 10. We take our remainder 1 and bring down the 0, we have 10. How many times does 2 fit into 10? You know this one, it's 5. 5 times 2 is 10, perfect. 10 minus 10 is 0, we have no remainder left. Woohoo, you did it, that's fantastic. We've used all the digits and our remainder is 0, we're all done. So 370 divided by 2 is 185. Great job, everyone, we just conquered dividing 370 by 2. Remember, long division is like a puzzle and you're all puzzle masters. Keep practicing and you'll be division whizzes in no time. See you next time on Let's Stud, bye.